Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a list writing tools AI on iPhone. So at first open iPhone settings, click on this and make sure enable this option, Apple Intelligent. Now I'm already enabled this. Okay, go back and then open Safari browser to select any text. Now I'm using Safari browser. To long press, then showing it to writing tools, click on, then showing it to list, more option, summary, key point, list, table. I'm selecting list. Okay, then showing it to list. If you want to copy, or you can easily share from here to share your friend, Gmail, everything. So that's it. That's how you can do it.